Okay, let's talk about deep learning. It's the engine behind pretty much every AI breakthrough today.
Get this, your brain has about 86 billion neurons, all firing and connecting constantly.
It's this wild web of connections that basically makes you, well, you.
So scientists looked at this amazing system and asked a really simple but huge question.
And the answer to that question? It turned out to be deep learning. So, what is it? It's a system that uses neural networks, modeled right after our brains.
And that word, deep, it's key. It just means there are lots and lots of layers.
Each layer learns something new, starting with simple shapes and building up to a whole object. The Big Bang moment was in 2012 for images. Then, 2017 was a game changer for language.
Suddenly, people realized this could be used for, well, almost everything you can think of. And chances are, you're using this powerful tech every single day without even realizing it.
You see, that 2017 breakthrough, that's the foundation for models like ChatGPT and Gemini.
Okay, so what does all of this actually mean for you as a commerce professional?
Here's a simple way to think about it. You don't need to be a mechanic to drive a car.
But here's the thing about these powerful AI engines. They all need fuel to run. And for you, that fuel is data, the stuff you collect and organize every day.
But let's be real, it's not perfect. Deep learning definitely has some major limits. But even with those limits, it's doing things that seemed like sci-fi just a decade ago.
So the most important takeaway is this. Learning these tools is how you're going to succeed.